ونحن المسلمون نحن الأمان. The Muslims of the world, our voices must be heard, our voices speak the truth. People of the world, let's stop all abuse. And we are the Muslims of the
قدر کوئی امام احمد بسما چو کوئی مجلس کے زبور دینا خالق دیا لئیر الکتو این بیمارا لے حاجہ دیکھون منبرتزو مخلوق زو صفة زي مسلي رب العزة بيقل قيامة ورز دليلة التايبة حاجة زلت خالق دنيا هذا الله الصمد لي كم شيء ذولي من قلتك فاعلي ما قول لنا بحبيب الله محمد لي أمتي زاير حبيب الله محمد لي الفكم صلاة وسلامة مقربة ويلي ما إن يوم مسلي لذكروا نقشي سيدو منبي إن يوم مسلي يزوي قصد منبي الله يكهرنا ورازنا الله يمللنا حاجة زينا نبي حاجة وشلنا ما هو باشر الإسلام تجدي مشايخ يسير المتجدي لا يسينا محمد المسلم متجدي الله يرحم لنا إن اثنين بيشي عم خير لنا أيضا وركض قلبي زينا مكفل التيشي وتيشي بذا الحالة بعد بذا الحالة مسجدات ومدامس أي بقعة في الأرض خانة بنوم قبل أنت أوروميا بيا خانة ماراكل بخانة Addis Ababa be, Afar be, Hararis be, you name it. أي تاريخ خانة اقرأ من الله عبادة أشهد المسجد بتاع مسجد ده شيء بيعملوه حتى عادي أنت بايوغر مسجد آخر وقت به يوم القيامة كل سوء موت ساعة خلي مسجدات الله قدر زوجه ملائكته إلهه جنة يقاسي في البلاي ده شيء به خراب لي تدقمي وجوا مسلم زلتاج دارو بركة أشبون حرمت سابق. And as an introduction to our topic, what we are hearing from back home is really heartbreaking. Recently, the destruction of the Masajid has been intensified. Under no circumstance, this is absolutely unacceptable. Whatever the reason might be, this is red line. A place of worship and the best place on the face of earth is the Masjid. So far, we are hearing some report, very troubling report, about 33 Masajid has been destructed or destroyed. Why? They have been paying the bill, the government, for the water, for the light, they have a proper documentation. So this is not allowed. Destroying the masjid is not anywhere on the present. Not too long ago, Najashi was destroyed. We say then, absolutely unacceptable. In Malta, Amara Kingdom, many masajid was destroyed. We say clearly and loudly, this is absolutely unacceptable. It's red line then, and it is red line now. Not be everywhere, anywhere it might be. In Canada, to be specific, Masjid al-Rashid, it was the masjid, the older masjid, for those of you who live in Edmonton, was close to downtown. Look how the Canadian wise government discussed with the Muslim leadership in Canada. They said, this masjid is in the middle of downtown. We want to remove it. The leadership of the Muslim community said, no. Once the masjid is built, you cannot touch it. Cannot destroy it. So they made the discussion. What is the middle way to remove it and relocate it? The Canadian government was wise enough and came up with a suggestion. They said, we'll bring our engineers. We're gonna begin surrounding the masjid. We're gonna lift it and relocate it for you wherever you want it, so that we will have easy passage for the traffic here in the middle of the road in Edmonton City in Canada. In return, also, they said we're going to give you a big land where you can build the mosque. The Muslim leadership, they made the mashura with Bukhari and they accepted. As a result, the Canadian government brought their engineers surrounding the Muslims, they dig in, they lift it, they put it into forklift, big forklift, and they relocated where the Muslims wanted to be. In return, they were given a big land. Canada Bay, Toronto, Edmonton, Magala Bay. بس بحكمة زاليو كنديان الحكومة هي مسجد ومدامس لحفظ عيسى مدامس بالحكومة يقوبة يمسلمان هريو هي مسجد لنفس الحكومة الجنرال سينا نجيجي ما تخشوا ضغط تابي نار الحكومة هي وقالت كيف تخانة بينام مسلمين كداش بلح القوامر كياشو هذا رايو كانت الحكومة انجنيرايس يقفروا مسجد زلتامة صوبي شرط قرومة حقا شوبة مسكنا شخشوا ذا كوي قديم مسجد وقارة دليو عجيس بي يخشوا ذا التايبة بدي داش يسوتيو مع خاء مسجد الرشيد يلو ذا ادمنتم مقالة بي بس كيزو بسبت وحار موقع ما ما يسمون سنة خمان فيهم دوزا الزوئي نبيك كيف guess what ما كي خلالي قدام ليبيا وقت زوبي لاش مليون دولار ست أيوم الزوم مسجد وشيء خلو شرتزو كله تاون هاوس في خلو بوما مسلمين هنيئا لهم عزان كل خانة الزوشة في ذلك مسجد بيسك ذالو الزو تاون هوم بي اللي درقبي بس كيزو سيستينا شو ذلك. So as the proposal was endorsed and accepted by the Muslim leadership in Edmonton, Canada, they removed the old masjid, they relocated. In return, they gave them the big land with the current big masjid, Al-Rashid. I visited there, and I know for a fact, for Masjid Al-Rashid and built the new masjid. Guess who paid the bill to build the new masjid? Gaddafi, the Libyan leader. He paid $3 million in the builders masjid, and they're surrounded by town houses. That income that generated from the townhouses sustained the masjid. This is how the masjid are treated, respecting the right of the Muslim. When it comes to Ethiopia, as if the Muslim have no right, as if the Muslim does not exist. Those reckless rulers, whoever that may be in the government of Oromia or else, they need to be brought to justice. Whoever ordered that distraction, we need to know the name of the official who ordered that distraction so we can sue him, bring him to the court of law. Second, we demand, first, we condemn this act of distraction of the Masajid. Second, we demand this Masajid that are being destroyed at the expense of the government, rebuilt immediately. Immediately. You depriving the Muslim a place of worship where they're going to pray. You destroyed it. What harm will bring to have a masjid in their own birth city, birth land? SubhanAllah. It is very upsetting. I don't want to get emotional, but it is red line is unacceptable. Use your conscience. Learn the example of the Canadian government and other places, how they are sensitive when it comes to the place of worship. Don't be reckless. So then the punishment of Allah will also be coming to you. Make no mistake, this is a place of worship. Allah quizo you bala. Allah ibadah yashkud al-masjid al-damsaj. Yurtibu al-bala. Allah quizo. You kalah dalabi يقال نشوف دي بقى يمزح الحاسة ومتبع لا ممكن ما تميت يلوم in a sweet sugar-coated talk. You cannot make us sleep. No, we are going to be demanding and make our voice clearly and loudly here. If you ignore us, we make 2 billion Muslims worldwide. From the neighboring countries to all the way, we will make our voice be heard. And they will come to aid of the Muslims because we are one ummah. We all say, La ilaha illallah. You are dealing with Muslim country. Cannot and would not have good relationship with Muslim country when you treating their fellow Muslims in their birth land, Ethiopia, and mistreat them and depriving them a place of worship, destroying with no reason. Whatever reason you may have, you need to come to your sense and discuss with the Muslim leadership who have the dual responsibility of the people, and give them alternative, discuss viable option, and come up with a practical solution. يتم الحساب بإسلام شو أدنيو politica حساب متى إيمان كديان دين كديان. It's not a political issue, and I advise every politician don't make it a political issue to score your political game against the government of Oromia or the government of Ethiopia. No, stick focus on the rights of the Muslims specifically. Why did we destroy all this Masajid? Why? What justification do you have? We need an explanation. And we need immediate corrective action, rebuilding without it is.
Our voices must be heard. Our voices speak the truth. People of the world, let's stop all abuse.
Our voices must be heard. Our voices speak the truth. People of the world, let's stop all abuse. Our voices must be heard. Our voices speak the truth. People of the world, let's stop all abuse.
We all denounce terrorism. We stand against it in deed and word. This is our belief, our unwavering idea.
And we are the Muslims of the world. And we are the Muslims of the world.
الاعتدال طريقنا، نبذ التطرف دائما قولا فعلا واعتقاد، هذا هو الدرب في الشرق والغرب.
The Muslims of the world, and we are the Muslims of the world. Our voices must be heard. Our voices speak the truth. People of the world, let's stop all abuse. Our voices must be heard. Our voices speak the truth. People of the world, let's stop all abuse.
Nous dénonçons le terrorisme. Nous l'envoyons de toutes nos forces. L'islam, c'est la foi qui préserve tous les droits.
And we are the Muslims of the world. And we are the Muslims of the world.
Wir alle verachten Terrorismus. Wir sind dagegen mit Taten und Worten. Daran halten wir fest. Dies ist unser Weg.